Ever pondered why AC repair is essential for your home and well-being? Picture this. It's a sweltering summer day, and your home is your oasis of cool comfort. But what happens when the AC starts acting up and that comfort vanishes? That's where the importance of AC repair steps in. Firstly, regular AC repair ensures a comfortable home environment. It keeps your system running smoothly, so you're not left sweating on those hot summer days. Secondly, it helps prevent costly breakdowns. Imagine having to replace your entire AC unit because of a problem that could have been fixed with a simple repair. Thirdly, AC repair can significantly improve your home's air quality, reducing allergens and pollutants. It's not just about comfort, but about health too. Lastly, regular maintenance prolongs the lifespan of your AC unit, protecting your investment for the long term. So, you see, AC repair is not just about convenience, it's about securing your investment and ensuring a healthy living space. Wondering how professionals repair your AC? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. The first part of the air conditioning repair process is the initial inspection. Here, expert technicians take a close look at your unit to diagnose the problem. They meticulously examine each part of the system, from the compressor to the condenser coils, to pinpoint exactly where things have gone awry. This step is crucial as it determines the subsequent course of action. Once the issue has been identified, we move on to the repair phase. This is where the magic happens, where the problem, be it a refrigerant leak, sensor issue, or drainage problem, is addressed head-on. For a refrigerant leak, for instance, the technician would locate the leak, fix it, and then refill the refrigerant to its appropriate level. If it's a sensor problem, they would recalibrate or replace the faulty sensor. And in case of a drainage issue, they would clear the blockage and ensure the AC's drainage system is functioning smoothly. But the work doesn't stop there. After the repair comes the testing phase. This is a crucial step to ensure the unit is working correctly after the repair. Technicians run a series of tests, checking if the thermostat is functioning accurately, if the unit is cooling efficiently, and if all parts are working in harmony. They also check if the initial problem has been fully resolved. After all, the goal is not just to fix the problem, but to ensure it doesn't recur. In some cases, the repair process may also involve part replacement. This typically happens when a certain component is beyond repair. Here, the technicians would replace the faulty part with a new one, ensuring your AC unit is back to its optimal performance. That's the process in a nutshell. But remember, each repair is unique and may require different steps. Whether it's a simple fix or a complex one, rest assured that your AC is in good hands with professional technicians who are committed to restoring your comfort. Before we go, let's recap the main points about AC repair. We've talked about its importance and the process involved. Let's not forget, regular maintenance is key. It's like a health check for your AC unit, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Timely repairs, on the other hand, nip potential problems in the bud, preventing minor issues from escalating into major costly ones. There's also the matter of comfort. A well-functioning AC unit keeps your home at the perfect temperature, making it a haven regardless of the weather outside. And let's not overlook the financial aspect. Yes, professional AC repair might seem like an expense, but consider it an investment. An investment that saves you money in the long run by extending the lifespan of your AC unit, reducing energy consumption, and avoiding the cost of a full replacement. Remember, a functional AC is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So don't hesitate to call in the professionals when your AC needs repair.